Welcome to the Dark Psychology Lab, where we expose the secrets people hide, the truths they fear, and the tricks they use to control you. Curious yet? Hit subscribe, and let's dive deep into the darkness of the human mind. Ever felt like someone's always pulling your strings, subtly guiding your emotions and decisions? What if I told you there's a way to flip the script and reclaim your power? Today, we're diving into 5 psychological hacks, guaranteed to shut down even the most skilled manipulator. First up is the power of calm indifference. You see, manipulators thrive on emotional reactions. They push buttons hoping to trigger anger, sadness, or guilt because it gives them control. When you respond emotionally, they win. But calm indifference changes everything. Imagine someone tries provoking you with criticism or blame. Instead of defending yourself or getting upset, simply respond with a neutral tone. I hear what you're saying. Without your emotional reaction, their power evaporates instantly. Practicing calm indifference consistently starves manipulators of the reactions they crave, leaving them powerless. But what if the manipulator tries twisting your words next? That's where the art of assertive deflection comes into play. Manipulators love to distort your words, leaving you confused or defensive. Instead of getting caught in their web, calmly repeat your original stance clearly and firmly. For example, if someone accuses you of something unfairly, simply say, "I've explained my position clearly." Assertive deflection isn't defensive. It's confident and clear. This approach frustrates manipulators because they realize their usual tactics aren't working. But beware, some manipulators up their game when cornered. Enter strategic questioning. Manipulators often rely on vague statements and unclear accusations. Strategic questions demand clarity, forcing manipulators into accountability. Let's say someone vaguely accuses you of never supporting them. Instead of defending yourself immediately, ask calmly, "Can you give a specific example of when this happened?" Suddenly, they're forced to back up their claims. This simple yet powerful tactic dismantles manipulation, leaving manipulators struggling to justify their vague accusations. But what happens when manipulative charm is thrown into the mix? Charm can be a manipulator's deadliest weapon. They use charisma to cloud your judgment, convincing you to ignore reality. But there's an easy fix: neutralizing charm with logical observation. When you notice someone trying to charm their way out of accountability, respond by calmly pointing out the facts. For instance, "I appreciate your viewpoint, but the facts show something different." Logic quickly cuts through charm, preventing emotional manipulation and returning control to you. Yet, the ultimate hack is one manipulators genuinely fear: boundary reinforcement mastery. Nothing terrifies manipulators more than someone who confidently sets and maintains boundaries. Boundaries clearly communicate your limits, telling manipulators their tactics won't be tolerated. If someone repeatedly crosses a line, firmly state, "I won't accept being spoken to this way," and walk away if necessary. Consistently reinforcing boundaries ensures manipulators quickly learn you're not an easy target. Mastering boundary setting doesn't just neutralize manipulators, it empowers you in all areas of your life. So let's quickly recap. Practice calm indifference, master assertive deflection, use strategic questioning, neutralize charm with logical observation, and always reinforce clear boundaries. Remember, manipulation only thrives when you're unaware. But now, you're armed with knowledge. Recognize these patterns, apply these hacks, and watch as manipulators lose all their power over you. Did any of these tactics resonate with you? Drop a comment below and share your experiences. Don't forget to smash the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more eye-opening psychology tips and click the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Want more insights on psychological health? Check out our next video on burnout signs. It could save your mental health. Thanks for watching Dark Psychology Lab. We appreciate your time and curiosity. If this opened your eyes, give it a like and subscribe for more. And always remember who you are.